This video covers the unboxing, quick start guides, and microphone test of a JBL wireless microphone. Let's begin with the unboxing. JBL wireless microphones are known for delivering exceptional sound quality and clarity. With their advanced technology, these microphones provide crystal clear vocal performance with no distortion or delay. Whether you're a professional performer or using them for personal use, JBL wireless microphones ensure that you sound your best and hit the high notes effortlessly. They are designed to capture every detail of your voice, allowing you to deliver a powerful and captivating performance. The wireless feature allows you to move freely on stage, without being restricted by cables, providing convenience and flexibility. JBL wireless microphones are a popular choice among musicians, public speakers, and performers who value top-notch audio quality and reliable performance. What's inside the box? How do you charge the wireless receiver? The receiver charge time is less than 3.5 hours at 5 volts, 1 ampere, providing up to 6 hours of playtime. How do you install the batteries? 4 batteries are included in the box, with 2 batteries per microphone. How do you turn on the microphone? Simply press the power button, and a light will appear. How do you turn off the microphone? Press the power button again, and the light will disappear. How do you turn on the wireless receiver? Press the power button, and a light will appear. How to turn off the wireless receiver? Press the power button. A light will disappear. How do you connect the microphone to the speaker? First, turn on the microphone and the wireless receiver. Then, plug the receiver into the microphone input of the speaker. Power on the speaker and test the microphone. Explore the art of mixing sound in this informative guide.
Mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test.
Where it began, but then I know it's growing strong. Oh, that believe you've gone along. Touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet caroline,